Elder abuse affects roughly 1 in 10 Americans aged 60 and older every year, yet the vast majority of cases never reach authorities. In this three-part video series, we will give you the national overview, then California and Texas specifics, so you can protect the seniors you love. My name is Carla Hartley. I'm the managing partner for Hartley Law Group, a law firm licensed in Texas and California. We practice family and estate law, and as a result, we are seeing a lot of people subjected to elder abuse and parties that are worried about their seniors coming into our offices. Our older population is growing rapidly. Nearly 58 million Americans were age 65 or older in 2022, a number projected to nearly double in the coming decades. About 1 in 10 U.S. adults 60 years and older experience abuse, neglect, or exploitation annually. Only about 1 in 14 to 1 in 24 cases are ever reported. According to 2023 APS data from NAMRS, over 1.5 million referrals came in. Most commonly investigated types included self-neglect, about 51%, neglect by others, 27% approximately, financial exploitation, another 24%, physical abuse, about 12%. Higher risk factors are reported as isolation, dementia, and disability. Women are more frequently victims than men. Family members, adult children or spouses, are common perpetrators. Depending on the state you're in, actionable elder abuse, which means elder abuse that you can take legal action for, will include physical, emotional, psychological, sexual, financial exploitation, neglect, including self-neglect, and abandonment. It occurs in private homes as well as care facilities. There is no single uniform federal criminal statute that defines elder abuse nationwide. Federal support comes primarily through the Elder Justice Act and the Older Americans Act. These laws help fund, coordinate, and set standards for adult protective services, APS, programs, which exist in every state, the District of Columbia, and U.S. territories. APS investigates reports of abuse, neglect, and exploitation of older adults and adults with disability. From state to state, definitions, age thresholds, mandatory reporting rules, investigative procedures, and civil or criminal remedies will vary significantly. Law enforcement will handle criminal matters. Civil remedies are also state-specific. Anyone can report suspected abuse to local APS or law enforcement. Key national resources include the Elder Care Locator at 1-800-677-1116 and the National Center on Elder Abuse. The single best way to prevent elder abuse is regular, daily contact with your seniors. It makes sure they recognize your voice, and if you create a habit, they will expect your call. Also, then you can be well aware of when someone starts isolating them or they begin descending into cognitive decline. The practical system many of us use: make a daily call. If they don't answer on your way to work, for example, have your husband or partner or wife call a few times during the day. After a couple days of no contact, generally on day 3, call their local police department for a wellness check. Start that habit today, and it will pay off over time. In the next video, we examine California's strong protections for our seniors. Knowledge plus consistent contact is the most powerful combination. Resources will appear in the description below.